What we have on page 27 is known as the Clevis bracket. Students tend to find this a rather challenging part, so I thought we'd take a few minutes and talk about it. The first thing that you have to realize when dealing with the Clevis bracket is that this drawing is not laid out to what you're used to. We have our three angles, top, front, and right side, but we need to look at them from this point of view. Now, what is a Clevis bracket? Well, Clevis brackets are used in aviation and other places to hold the ends of parts together. It's like a cable to a pulley. I brought a few different examples for you to see today. You can see we have a flat surface or a rounded surface, it really doesn't matter which, with a place for a pin to go through. When you turn it up, the slot is evident in the middle. They are the same, front and back, so that's what makes it rather difficult to see. There are several different styles of clevises. The shape is really not important, but the function of what it does is. So that's what we've got going for us today. So this is a Clevis bracket. I have included in your program a drawing of a Ywing. And the reason I've done that is because it's got the same basic shape as a Clevis, and I think it would be easier because of the added detail on that blueprint to visualize the part in question. Here we have a Ywing. And laid next to our Clevis bracket. I'm going to put them both in the picture for you here so you can see the differences. Actually, let's use this round one. Okay. So, we have the front of the Clevis bracket. In this case, it's actually going to be like that. If it makes any sense to you with the bracket, because we're looking at it backwards. Okay. Bracket goes here. We've got a pin through here and through here. So I like to think of this as being the same as the cockpit. We have our two nacelles, left and right. The confusion comes in is when we rotate this to the front side, you can no longer tell the depth in this object. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate this up, and you can see you can no longer see the backside of the nacelle, just like on the drawing. It's still there it is, but you can't see it. You also see we have this extra ring here. That shows the depth from here. And we're going to turn it to the front. Now you can see that the two nacelles, here and here, are actually demonstrated here and here. Remember, with drawings, you can always use the connecting points. So if you want to add in these, so you can see that lines up with this hidden line at the top, lines up with the solid line in the middle. We can go to the side with it as well. So you can see how it's connected. So, top, front, and right side. Reference the blueprint of the Ywing that I have printed, that I've provided for you. Remember to turn your book sideways, top, front, and right side.